Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search someone Instagram by phone number. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on to profile icon. Tap on the three line at the bottom right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Account center. Click on your information and permission. Upload contact and enable this option, and you need to must your account added phone number. Now I am checking. So first time you need to add your contact number. Okay, now successfully add my contact for this account. Now I am give a proof. So first log out this account and log into another account. Okay, log into another account. Go to search option and search the phone number. Okay, now shown here my ID by using phone number. So that's how we can easily search someone on Instagram by phone number. You need to must enable this option and set up your phone number, then will be done. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.